So if you have CPI Security, you may have these little sensors on your doors and windows, and they've got a little battery in there, which honestly, it's lasted a long time. This thing has been here for over 6 years, and the battery has just now ran low on it. So I'm constantly getting warnings on my phone that the battery is at the end of life and needs to be replaced. So let me just show you. All you got to do is just pop something in the side right here. There's actually a little place on the side right here where you can just pop this cover off. All right, so took a little bit of pressure in 2 hands, but I got it off of there. And it actually has a CR2450 battery in it. So let me go grab a battery and we're gonna swap this out real quick and that'll fix it. All right, so I've got the battery, and the crazy thing is I had another sensor with an issue a while back, and I called CPI to troubleshoot it, and they just out of nowhere offered to send me batteries. So they sent me a whole box full of all these batteries for every sensor in my house. So that was really nice of them to do that. We're gonna just change this out real quick, and this thing should be good to go. So it's real easy. Just pry something in the little edge right here, and then this thing will just pop right out. But as you can see, it comes right out. And then we're gonna just put a new one in here. You do wanna make sure that the face of it is face up. That's the bottom of it, so that goes down. You wanna see the actual, the labels and the words and all that facing out towards you. Okay, I got the new battery ready to go here, and we are just going to pop it right in there. Okay, that is now good to go, and we will go reinstall it. So when you're looking at this, there's a little circle right here. That's where the battery goes. So you want to make sure that the battery is at the bottom of it. You can also see there's some little tabs at the top, and they go right here on these tabs. So we're going to just snap this back in here. We're going to put those tabs in at the top first. Make sure those tabs go in first. Snap it in, and we are good to go. And if you look, there is a little green light flashing. It will flash red at first, but just give it a minute and it'll start flashing green. So I actually got this off of the window on my other window here, and there's a little place right there you can also pry it off. So you can try to stick a little flathead something screwdriver in there, or you could also try to pry it from the bottom. That's the top right there.